In this video, you're going to learn how to set up this new cloaking tool to put an end to blockages on ads platforms, reduce your advertising costs, increase your profits, and protect your offer from plagiarism and people trying to clone your sales page. Well, the first step will be for you to access the app's plans area and, using the requirements below the prices, identify which plan best fits your company's profile. Once you've done that, just click on the button to choose the plan. Create your account and sign up. Once you've signed up, you'll be redirected to this page, which is the main Cloakup dashboard. The second step is to integrate a domain into our tool. To do this, simply go to Traffic Filter in the left-hand corner, then Domains, then Add Domain, and here you will go through the process of adding and verifying a domain through DNS. If you don't know how to do this, just click on this blue button on the screen and access a help center, which will have complete tutorials on how to do this. It's very simple and takes no more than 2 minutes to complete. Once you've done that, just go to the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. Now let's create our campaign. To do this, just click on the Add Campaign or Create a Campaign button and then select the Simple Configuration mode. In this case, let's imagine that I'm running a Facebook marketing campaign for product X and I want to advertise this product in every country in the world, but only to English speakers. That said, I'll name my campaign Product X, Facebook Worldwide in English. Well, after that, our next step is to add the URL of our offer page and our secure page. Remember that the offer page is the page that people who have been approved will access, and the secure page is the page that people who have been blocked will access. To illustrate this in the tutorial, I've chosen 2 random blogs from the internet. The first is the Excel blog, which I will use as an example of a secure page. The second is a slimming blog, which I will use as an example for the offer page. Notice that below each URL there are 2 options: display content and redirect. We always recommend that you leave the show content option checked, both on the offer page and on the secure page, unless you are using a tracking platform or are an affiliate. In both cases, only in both cases. It's important that you allow redirects on your offer page. That done, our next step is to select the domain of our campaign. To do this, just click here, where you can choose the domain, and all the domains you have already connected and verified in your Cloakup account will be listed. Simply select your domain here and add the slug of your choice to identify the campaign. The next step is to select the platform you're going to use to run your ads. In the case of our example, I'm going to select the Facebook ads option. After that, you just have to select which devices you're going to allow to access your offer page. In this case, I'm only going to select mobile and tablet, and I'm going to block all desktop devices that try to access my offer page. Well, after that, just select the countries and languages you want to allow to access your page. I'm going to select all of them and exclude only Brazil, for example. And following the same logic with languages, I'll allow all languages. Once you've done that, your campaign is ready. It's set up, and now you just have to click on Save. You will receive the link to your campaign that you will use to advertise. Below, you will see the password URL parameter. This parameter must be configured with your ad on the ads platform. If you don't know how to do this, there's a link here. It's very simple. Basically, on Facebook, for example, there's a box at the bottom of the ad settings called URL parameters. All you have to do is put that parameter in there. If you already use any other parameters, just add this one. You don't have to stop using the ones you already use, and everything will work perfectly. Well, now let's test to see if everything we've done is working. Basically, I'm just going to copy this link that Cloakup gave me, and I'm going to paste it into my URL, and I'm going to access it. As soon as I access it, you'll notice that the URL remains the same. In other words, I haven't been redirected. I've just changed the content to that of the Excel blog, which is what I had configured for my secure page. If you go to Requests up there on the right, next to Campaigns, you'll be able to access in real time all the requests being made to the page that has Cloakup installed. So you can see all the people who have been accepted, the people who have been rejected, and the data. Here, for example, it shows my access that was blocked and even shows the reasons: URL parameter, geolocation, and device. In short, everything is working. Everything is in perfect condition. The app is installed here in my structure, and now I'm ready to advertise. Well, folks, I'm glad you've made it this far, and I hope you enjoyed it. The configuration is very simple, very easy to integrate, and extremely functional and will solve most of your problems. Click on the button below, sign up, choose your plan. Run these actions from the tutorial in your structure. Test it and let us know what you think. Welcome to the club. See you on the other side. If you have any questions, you can access the live chat in the bottom right-hand corner of the page, and we'll be ready to help you. Cheers!